In this video today, I'm going to show you the Cater-Wash 10 kilogram washing machine and the 10 kilogram heat pump tumble dryer. So how we've got them now, which is fine, just side by side. So the doors open either way, so you can take your stuff straight out your washing machine and put it straight in your dryer without having to lift it around the door. These doors open like a full 180 degrees. But in this video today, I'm going to show you how you're going to put the stacking kit together. So this is a stacking kit. The code for it is CK8582. And it's really easy to put together, but we're just going to show you how it's done. So to put it together, you're going to need a drill or a Phillips head screwdriver, a socket set with a 5/16 of an inch socket on it, a pencil, and you're probably going to need a friend to help you lift the dryer on when you get to that point. So let's see how to do it. So the first step is to drill holes in the top of the washing machine. We've pre-drilled ours, so you can put the stacking kit on. So just line up the stacking kit on the washing machine so it's completely in line with the washing machine. And then you're going to mark out the holes. So there's 6 of them. Just use a pencil to go through the holes and make a mark on top of the washing machine so you know where you're going to drill. Once you've done that, you just need to mark an X just so you're sure where the drill needs to go. These are the back stoppers for the dryer, so you need to put these in place, making sure you get them the right way around, just like that. And then slide the stacking kit back on top of the washing machine so they stay in place. Making sure it's level again, just drill the screws into the top of the washing machine, fix the stacking kit on the washer. So there's 6 screws and make sure they're all in tight. Next we need to hook the washing machine to the stacking kit like this. So there's a hook on that plastic part and you need to slot that in the back on the top of the washing machine. And then you're going to use your socket set to fasten that in place so it's tight. So for the next bit, you're going to need a friend. Tilt the dryer back and then you need to extend the front feet so at least a centimetre is showing. This is to help it slot onto the stacking kit. You then need to open the tray of the stacking kit so you can put the dryer on top. Carefully lift the dryer onto the stacking kit and slot it into place, making sure the feet slot into the holes that are designed for it. So next we're going to take the screws out the back of the dryer, and this part we're going to attach the dryer to that. Make sure you use a spacer or else the screw will go too far into the dryer, so use that spacer and then drill it in. And you need to do that on both sides. Next, open the tray and put the covers in. So they're labelled left and right, so you know which side to put them on. They should easily just slot into place, like so. And that's it. So that's it, your washing machine stacked, featuring the pull-out tray for your laundry, so you can sort your laundry, fold it, ready to be put away, even featuring a soft shut finish. Thanks for watching.